Okay, fourth grade friends. Now remember, when we're looking at word problems, the most important thing we need to do is be able to read the problem and know what it is the problem is asking us. So in this case, Ben's bamboo plant grew 2 centimeters in 3 days. On day number 1, it grew 0.5 centimeters. On day 2, it grew another 0.8 centimeter. How much did it grow on day 3? So it would be tempting to just look at 2 and plus 0.5 and plus 0.8 and just add it all together because it's asking how much it grew. But I'd get the wrong answer if I did that because it's not what the question is asking me. The question is asking me, I've got day 1, I've got day 2, and I've got day 3. And on all of those days added together, it's going to be 2 centimeters. So if I know that on one day it grew 0.5 centimeters, and on another day it grew 8 centimeters, the actual question that it's asking me is, what did it grow on this day in order to equal 2? Well, the part that makes this multiple step is now I'm going to have to add these two together. That's the first step. So 0.5, so 0.5 and 0.8, that's actually 5/10 plus 8/10. It's going to give me 13/10, and I know 13/10 is the same as 1.3. So on these 2 days, it grew 1.3. I still don't have my answer yet. I know that on day 1 and day 2, it was 1.3. So if I subtract that from 2, I'm going to find out what this one is. So this 2 actually is like 2.0 because it's 2 and 0/10. So if I take 2 and 0/10 and I subtract 1 and 3/10, well, the answer is going to be 7/10 left. It would be like saying this answer right there. So I know that on day number 3, it grew 0.7, and 0.7, 0.8, and 0.5, if I add them all together, are going to be equal to 2. One of the ways I can look at this is 13/10. Well, this 2 is like saying 20/10. So the difference between 20 and 13 is 7/10. So there you have it. When you're reading and looking at these math problems, make sure that you are reading what it's asking you and solving for that information. All right.